Hello, my name is Philip Connor and I'm a paediatric haematologist. I am involved in some studies that help investigate COVID-19 in children. At the moment I'm working from home, as a lot of us are, and I always think that studies are the way that doctors can help other people overcome problems by using science, and I think that is the way that we're going to get out of this issue at the moment, whether it's through treatments or preventative measures. It's the only way that we're going to do it rationally. I don't know any other way. So I'm really thankful for all the people that have agreed to take part in trials, because it helps our society move on and makes it a better place. So thank you very much.